thanks for the introductions. Thanks for the organizer giving me the opportunity to share some of our findings, of our thoughts, of our considerations on what we see that PC-based vision in the industrial inspection, that's what I have to stress, industrial inspections, more a hardware-related talk that I'm going to give, how this is developing, evolving towards more embedded solutions, where basically embedded means that the intelligence is going to the hardware, to the device that's actually producing, giving all these nice images that are then further processed either with algorithm or with some neural networks or whatever model. So I'm assuming that most of the people don't know, haven't heard about new electronic technologies, NET. So let me spend a few words on the company. So we are, as I said, a camera manufacturer, producing cameras for medical applications and industrial applications. And we've been in business since 20 years, or more than 20 years. So what we've done in these 20 years is to differentiate from just supplying cameras as a component that is then integrated in the vision system. What we've done in these 20 years is we have always give consultancy to our customers, discuss their application, their needs in detail in order to also suggest not only the fitting camera, but also optics or lighting, software packages can be used with it. And recently we've also done development of algorithms in software or on the FPGA.